here's the thing. You buy yourself the very latest Range Rover Sport, and I gotta tell you, this thing is absolutely stunning. But then what happens? You jump in and you realize you don't have CarPlay in this thing. And that's when you stay tuned with Audio Direct. Let me squeeze myself in here and show you what this thing has got. This is the original Range Rover interface, and I have to admit, of course, it's a brand new vehicle, so the interface itself is good, but what we add is this. A bit of Fast and Furious. You can see the quality of the screen. This is actually an Android interface that we've added onto the factory screen, and it's absolutely perfect. The best thing about it is not only the response rate, I mean, you can see it's absolutely gliding across, but you've got, I mean, this is live, picking up exactly from YouTube itself. So many options, crystal clear. And you got to bear in mind, we're actually in an underground car park at the moment, as we're just demonstrating this for you, and it still is just so smooth. And you can also go to the original Range Rover interface. So many different options. Click on apps and it shows you not only Play Store, so on and so forth, but the best thing about it is, of course, CarPlay. Look at that, absolutely loads up instantly. It gives you that familiar icons and lets you know that you're in not only a 2019 Range Rover, but it's also got the latest infotainment and connectivity as well. And of course, connect it, tether it, and all works absolutely seamlessly. All your maps, all your favorites, so on and so forth. Absolutely super proud. The customer can't wait to get his vehicle back, and we can't wait to deliver it. The first one done here, 2019 Range Rover Sport with the Android interface and Apple CarPlay, as well as wireless connection as well for all of your peripherals. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this presentation by Audio Direct.